Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful pair of earrings. First of all, we will look into the things needed. We will need some yarn. I'm going to be using cotton yarn 3-ply and the 1.5mm steel crochet hook, two hook ear wires, two wooden beads, two eye pins, pair of scissors, wire cutters, round nose pliers and the flat nose pliers. These are the things required. Now let's see how to crochet the flower. We will start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times like this and insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with the magic ring. In the first round, we are going to work 6 single crochets into the magic ring. Insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through the magic ring. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 1 single crochet. Again, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 2 single crochets. Again, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through the magic ring, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 3 single crochets over here. Like that, we will continue to make another 3 of them. 4, 5 and 6. After completing 6 single crochets into the magic ring, we can pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this. And then we will continue to work the second round. If you look at the stitch carefully, you can see that we have a front loop and a back loop on the stitch. We are going to work into the front loop of the stitches around. We need to work 1 single crochet into each one of the front loops. We will start working over this tail so that you don't have to worry about hiding the tail at the end. And start with the first stitch. Insert the hook into the front loop of the first stitch and continue to work the single crochet, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Again, insert the hook into the front loop of the second stitch and work another single crochet. Again, insert the hook into the front loop of the third stitch and work another single crochet. Again, insert the hook into the front loop of the fourth stitch and continue to work the single crochet. This is the fifth stitch here. Insert the hook into the front loop and work another single crochet. And we are left with 1 stitch here. We are going to go into the front loop of the last stitch and continue to work the single crochet. Now we have completed the second round, and then I'm going to cut the tail off carefully like so, and we will continue to work the third round. We are going to work into the back loops in the third round. These are the back loops, and we need to work 2 single crochets into each one of the back loops over here. We will start with the first one here. 1 single crochet into the first back loop. Again work another single crochet into the same loop. This is an increase. Again work 2 single crochets into the back loop of the second stitch. 1 and 2. Again work 2 single crochets into the back loop of the third stitch. 1 and 2. Again work 2 single crochets into the back loop of the fourth stitch here. 1 and 2. Again 2 single crochets into the back loop of the fifth stitch. 1 and 2. Then we are left with 1 stitch here. Into the back loop we need to make 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. With that we have completed the round 3 as well. Now in round 4 we are going to work into these loops here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We are going to work the petals into these loops. First of all, you can pull these loops with using a yarn needle, so that it will be easier for you to make the petals. You can even use a smaller sized crochet hook for this. Now we will start making the petals of the flower. First of all, work a slip stitch into the first loop over here. Insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the loop again. And then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then we need to make 3 trebles into the same loop. Yarn over twice. Insert the hook into the same loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is a treble stitch. Again yarn over twice. Insert the hook into the same loop. Yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. Again yarn over twice. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 3 treble stitches over here, and then chain 3 and work a slip stitch into the next loop here. Insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the loop again. Now we have completed the first petal. Again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work 3 treble stitches into the same loop. Yarn over twice. Insert the hook into the same loop. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Again work another treble into the same loop. This is going to be the third treble into the same loop. and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work a slip stitch into the next loop over here. Insert the hook into the next loop, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the loop again. Now we have completed 2 petals here. Again chain 3 and work 3 trebles into the same loop. One, two, and 3. Then again chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work a slip stitch into the next loop over here. Now we have completed 3 petals over here. Just like that, we will continue to make 3 more petals. This is going to be the very last petal of the flower. Now we will work a slip stitch into the starting point over here. Insert the hook into the starting point of the first petal. Yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Now we have completed the flower, and leave a little tail and you can cut the yarn off like so. Now we will use the yarn needle to hide the tail like this. Then if you have an excess piece like this, you can cut it off by using the pair of scissors. Now we have completed 1 flower and we need 2 of these flowers to complete the pair. Now I have completed both the flowers over here. And then I will show you how to put all these pieces together to complete the earrings. First of all, we will take the eye pin and open it up by using the pliers, and we can insert that into a petal like this, and then secure that by using the pliers again. And we will insert the bead into the eye pin and then create another loop on the other side of the bead. And we will insert the hook ear wire also before we close the second loop and secure that properly like this. Now we have completed one of the earrings. Just do the same thing to complete the other earring as well. Now we have completed both the earrings here. I hope I have explained all the instructions clearly for you. If you have any question regarding making this, you can comment in the comment section below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you very much for watching Hero Handmade.